Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I am SUMA BABU. I love to paint. I find time for my passion on a daily basis. I like to share tips and tricks of drawing and painting through this channel. I promise you, you will also learn the skill gradually. So have faith and practice this all beginner tutorials without any fail. February is the right month to take up rose painting tutorial. They say roses are a bit complex subject to paint, but don't worry, I'll help you to paint roses in simple steps. Before that, observe them carefully. Their texture, their color, the shape of their petal, and how they are aligned with each other and all. So let's dive into the video. Today I am planning to paint a light pink rose. I am planning to make a full bloom rose covering almost 75% of this canvas. The tips I wanted to share here is scaling is an easy method, but remember it is very time consuming. I always prefer freehand drawings even if it is a portrait. With roses, beginners should take proper care of this sketching part. Once the sketching part is done, then painting starts. I am using flesh tint, white, olive green, pink and some coral red here. Since it is a beginner tutorial, I don't want to make a hyper realistic rose. I am keeping it simple to make you all feel free to try this painting. Here for making shadow on the rose, I mixed little olive green with pink. See, we got a nice grey tone. I am planning to paint the background later after giving the base coat for this rose. One method of painting rose is complete petal by petal. Since we are doing with acrylic, there is a chance of drying up the paint very fast. So make sure your hand moves fast. We have to mix needed shades depending on our reference. I could not complete this painting at one stretch, so I had to start from the beginning to rectify my mistakes. At the final stage, I thought of adding few more details. Some dewdrops and some rosebuds. You can practice this rose painting in small canvases also, like this. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another new interesting video. Until then, take care and happy painting. Bye.